What's that yonder? That is a poetry page, baby.
Could you take a peek over here? Unless you're busy, which I completely understand. So nice of you to stop by. I'm Sully, and I'm stuck in this wall here. Really didn't see this one coming.
You stopped this up proper, eh?
Well, I've got an eye for history, and my research led me to believe the ancient corneal coronet is hidden in these ruins. But it all flooded, and I got stuck trying to escape.
Doesn't look like I can break it down, which is my usual strategy.
As it happens, I've had quite a bit of time to think in here. If the water pressure built up behind me, I'd pop right out. Try those switches. And there are some quite creepy things in here with me, so if you could hurry, you know, if it's not too much trouble. Sure, you've really done it. I can feel it starting to... Oh, no.
Winter's Blade! Friends of yours?
No, just go, quickly. Oh, hey, guys. Fancy meeting you here.
Me! You
Ready to cast! Magic's dry!
I almost cast it then. But while I was almost dying, I did see a second pressure switch. Think that ought to do the trick.
So who were those bastards?
Oh, well, the other Cyclops do bully me. On account of me being more into archaeology and less into murdering people.
I hate bullies.
You're just as good as gold, eh? Yes, that's it. Now quick, come give old Sully a tug. All right, that's much better then, isn't it? Lovely.
Where's the rest of you?
Oh, no. I thought something didn't quite feel right. The rest of my body must have gotten separated earlier in the ruin. Should probably find that, eh?
Cartography. My first...
What, mate? That's my body! Wow! I finally feel like I'm myself again. Anyways, I'm for sure stuck down here, so... guess I didn't really think this one through, eh? Look, I don't want to put you out any more than I already have. You can just leave me here to die. It's perfectly all right.
No, I've got it.
Choice as. I'll just wait here then.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh, it's working! Even after all this time. They just don't make them like they used to, eh? Now get on over here, mate. Come on, then, follow me. We can still find the corneal coronet.
How rare are we talking?
Well, the corneal coronet historically belongs to the true ruler of all Cyclops. I suppose it is also made of pure gold and priceless jewels, but I'm not really interested in all that, you know? Oh no, flooded! We'll have to stop this water flowing in, or just give up and turn around, I guess. Either way. It really is nice to have company on a ruin dive for once, you know? Usually it's just me. And I'm not very good company.
Shame the other Cyclops are terrible.
You're not wrong, mate. Sweet ass, we did it! Not to be rude, but shouldn't you maybe know how to swim? Feels like a really necessary skill to wear.
I put all my talent points into guns.
Ah, makes sense. Well, you can head on down there now. I'm gonna stay here because I'm scared. Whoa. This is really spooky stuff. I absolutely died down here multiple times without you. Good thing we...
Brr-Zerker! What an epic belly rub you shall have! A little for me, a lot for you. Energy's empty! Let's get casting and blasted!
This is it. The culmination of my years of study, all behind these doors. Coronet. Describe it to me exactly as it stands. How heavy is it? How does it...
Sully?
Oh no! Run! Oh wow! This sure is exciting for you, isn't it? Just devastated I can't study it all in its original environment. But maybe now's not the time to bring that up. Your cardio is really... Whew! That was a close one, eh, mate? Let's skedaddle, and then I can see that coronet.
I'll try anything once, even dying.
Golden, baby!
Gosh, we made it! I never thought we would... Oh, no. In fairness, they were trying to kill me first.
Woo! That's my boy! That's the good stuff! Ice bite! Piss off to the hereafter! Energy sapped!
That was their whole gang. I'm free to explore ruins to my heart's content now. What a world!
You should wear this coronet. It suits you.
What? Me? Wear this? But it's meant for the one true ruler of the Cyclops. I'm just... Sully.
The rest of them are awful and you're great. Start your own Cyclops crew. Why not?
You know, before today, I would never have even considered something like this, but you've really given me so much confidence in myself and who I am, I have to say. I think I might just do it. Thank you, cuz. You're a mate for life. Excuse me, I think I have something in my eye.
This calls for a celebration! What?